Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to customize Perplexity AI's interface for your needs. Explore settings and preferences. Click your avatar icon at the top right. You're going to be able right here to see the settings for your account. Look for user settings or preferences within the interface. This is where you can basically modify theme, language. Something wrong with my connection. Let me switch it up. Let me switch it up and I'm gonna get back to you. After you switch it up, you're gonna be able to basically go and refresh. Okay, you're gonna see right here the appearance. You can click the system light dark, so you can change the interface and the language, right? And the display preferences in terms of your avatar, username, you're gonna be able to control that. Okay, and API or SDK usage. If the platform allows API or SDK integration, you're gonna go ahead and access the API at the top. You can access more granular customization, like integrating the AI with your tools or adapting its feature. And you have the extensions or add-ons. Some platforms offer plugins or extensions for further personalization, such as adding custom commands or changing the functionality. And basically check the settings to see which which settings that you can modify or choose to change. Like right here in the bio, you can add an introduction about yourself, share as much as you like, and the location and the preferred response language. Okay, so you can control that. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.